Guys, today I'm gonna get you ready for the month ahead. That's right, we're going over every single sneaker dropping in December. Now, I'm also gonna give you some release reminders for drops that are right around the corner, but we only have a few days left of this month, so let's get prepped because December is stacked. First up, we got a Supreme release which is happening on November the 28th. Now, notably for shoes, they're gonna be dropping these crazy things. It's a triple pack on a Doc Martens collaboration on the 1461 3i shoe, which has a ghost or skull face on it. Now, notably this week, Supreme is not dropping tomorrow, but they're actually dropping on Friday, like I said, the 28th. And in terms of clothing and different Supreme releases, this is everything that should be dropping. Cool jersey, cool hoodie, but I think the Doc Martens are the one that most people are after. I'm not entirely sure. You guys let me know down in the comment section, but plenty to look out for. Honestly, I actually don't mind these Doc Martens. I think they're kind of cool. The biggest release for this week has to be the Black Cat 4s. Obviously, we know that they're going to be dropping on Black Friday, which again is November the 28th. Now, in terms of how hard these things are going to be to get, they did at least 2 different shock drops, or one of them was exclusive access. The next one was a shock drop here in the EU and the UK, and they sat around for a little while. So I'm not going to say that this is an easy drop and then you miss out, but what I will say is that there should be plenty of pairs to go around. So if you want them, you could get them. A day before that though, on the 27th, we're getting the Division Street Nike Air Force One Duck or Egg Pack. Now, this is obviously a GOAT app exclusive, which if you partake in the Black Friday thing, then you can enter for this. So yeah, just have a look on the GOAT app. Their Black Friday thing is actually pretty decent. They're doing quite a few different like free shoes if you enter in. They did Travis Scott Fragments the other day, so it's worth having a look, and definitely for these things as well. The Zellerfeld and Nike collaboration on the Air Max 95,000 is going to be dropping on November the 28th. That is through the Nike Sneakers app, but also a Zellerfeld raffle is live right now. Now, this raffle is only open for another 2 days. Now, keep in mind, these shoes are probably going to be very limited, so if you want your best shot at grabbing these things, definitely enter on Zellerfeld as well. Now, the only issue with this pair of shoes is that it only comes in full sizes, so what I would recommend is if you are a half size, go a half size up. Now, they're very accurate to actual Nike shoe sizes, so if you've ever had a pair of Jordans or a pair of Nikes that you went a half size down or up from your regular size, do that, because if those are comfortable, then these will be fine as well. And with that, that is pretty much the biggest releases that are happening in November. So let's move forward to the next month because December is crazy. So this list is in no particular order, but we're just going to go through all of the different crazy releases that are happening. And it starts off with a China release, a China exclusive Air Jordan 11. This one is crazy cool. I almost feel like they left one of the most detailed Jordan 11s for this holiday season exclusively to China. Now, it might not be everybody's favorite colorway, but the details on here are pretty incredible. Like, look at the different little bead things that they've sewed into the top. The colorway, in my opinion, just looks really clean. These are going to be dropping December the 1st, so unless you're out in China, don't worry about it because, again, these are only dropping out there. Next, we got this super clean sail colorway of the Jordan 1 High. Releases December the 1st. Now, look, I've said in the past, I really like this colorway. I like the material swaps and the details, like this little mini Jumpman that you get over here on the toe box. But in all honesty, I do think that these are going to sit on shelves, potentially hit outlets pretty soon. So if I was you and I like this colorway, I'd probably just wait and see what happens because I don't think they're gonna sell out. Either way, if you're after these, December the 1st for that drop. December the 2nd, we're gonna be getting the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Premium Krampus. This release is fast coming up, and we've got official images of what these things look like. It looks like there's also going to be some kind of merch or some kind of, you know, a little clothing line along with it. This is a pretty cool pair of SB Dunks. Like, the details on it are pretty crazy. Obviously, the theme, Krampus, evil Santa, or whatever that whole storyline is. And I think they did this pretty accurately. Like, you've got this crazy cracked leather all over the upper, which top-down shot makes them look crazy. You've got, like, special insoles as well. I don't know. I think this is actually a really cool holiday release or theme for a pair of Nike Dunks. Be on the lookout for these if you're interested. Otherwise, let's keep it moving. December the 4th, I feel like we've got a pair of shoes that we've been hearing about for the longest time, and that is Westside's Guns collaboration on the Saucony ProGrid Triumph 4, the Super Flygod. Now, in terms of how these are going to be releasing, here's some like actual in-hand images of what they look like. Super colorful. I feel like it's very, how do I say this, J-tip Saucony type beat where there's just so many colors. Either way, it's definitely not bad, and if you like louder shoes, this is a pretty cool one one to go for. Now, in terms of how they're going to release, it should be through Saucony and potentially some other retailers as well. I'd be on the lookout for raffles and stuff like that to load up very, very soon. But yeah, if you're after these, December 4th. Also on December 4th, we've got the entire Stranger Things and Nike collaboration on a bunch of different models. I think we've got 5 in total, or 4 maybe. The Women's Field General High. These things are actually pretty cool, kind of like boxing shoes if I'm honest. And then we got an Air Max 87. So this is this one over here in maroon and natural gray, or neutral gray. It's a nice colorway. This one I think has to be my favorite, the Converse Weapon in this really nice sail and blue color. And then we've also got a pair of Converse Chuck Taylors, also very detailed and a nice colorway as well. All of these again dropping on December the 4th. So if you're after any of the Stranger Things collab, there you go. December the 5th, we've got a little bit of a weird one, and I honestly don't know how to feel about this, but Nigel Sylvester is teaming up with McDonald's, like pretty much every other person on the planet. Like we had Travis Scott, we even had Ye at one point, but there's just so many people collaborating with McDonald's, and I don't really get the whole McDonald's collaboration thing. It almost feels like some kind of, I don't know, conspiracy where you get to a certain level in the industry of, you know, sneaker and fashion, then suddenly you get a knock on the door from McDonald's saying it's your time. Either way, I don't know, if you're interested in a freaking McDonald's collaboration, you've got the Employee of the Month collection from Nigel. You've got this this t-shirt, you've got these sweatpants, you've got some hoodies as well, and it's just like, bro, I'm not rocking a freaking McDonald's branding. You can go to hell. I don't know. I know that it's like there's a strong pull for people to like the whole McDonald's collaboration, probably just because Travis did it, but personally it's not one for me. There's no way I'm rocking a freaking Fry and McNugget ass sweater. Either way, sorry to go in on it that much. If you like it, that's completely fine, and it's going to be dropping on December the 5th, and that should be through Nigel Sylvester's website. This one over here, he's already got a splash page up, so yeah, get ready for that. An absolutely massive release, maybe the biggest one, is of course the Jordan 11 Gammas, which are going to be returning on December the 13th. We know we've had a ton of different Jordan 11s drop for this holiday season, but this has got to be the highlight. This is like the main one that people really want to get their hands on. So understandably, I imagine they do a ton of pairs like they have done in the past, but even if they've done like 500,000 pairs previously, they still sell out. So I wouldn't expect these things to be like super easy walk in the park to try and grab. Now it's going to be a full family size run like usual. Adult sizes are $235, which is steep, and then you've got kids and toddlers for $190 and $60. So $190 for a kid's pair, is that real? That's pretty insane to me. Either way, Gamma 11s, big one. Let me know if you're going to be going for these. One that kind of slipped through the cracks, we do have a PSG Jordan collaboration dropping on December the 3rd, and that is on the Jordan 4 RM for the first one. They're doing 2 different sneakers, but we've spoke about this one in the past. Really nice colorway. I don't think it's a must-have. I also think that there's so many decent Jordan 4 RM GR colorways that are better than this. So it's just, if you are huge, like, you know, PSG fan, then maybe you want to try and grab these things. But of course, they're also going to be doing a Jordan 5. Now, this one is a little bit cooler because it just looks like they put a little bit more effort into this. Also dropping on December the 3rd, and that is the Off-Noir colorway. Very, very nice. It looks like they've, you know, reworked the materials on the upper. You've got a little swap out from the regular, like, rubber mesh that you find on the center to now the PSG logo. Some very small hits of a light pink, a really nice satin sock liner, custom insoles. These things are looking dope. December the 5th, we've got the Derrick Rose Fear of God Athletics Basketball 2. This is the Adidas Fear of God collaboration, and this is the Derrick Rose collab. So, I mean, these are just so the same as the other ones. Like, bruh. I mean, it's clean. It's not bad, but I think really what they did was throw some red laces as an option, and then also put a rose on the back. Maybe the Fear of God tab is a little bit of a different color as well, but to me, they look practically identical to all of the other ones that dropped. So, if I was you, save some money and grab one of the other colorways that are like sat on shelves at freaking outlets for like 70% off. Either way, December 5th for these. Man, and then if you've got some money that you just don't know what to do with and you really just want to, I don't know, flex on your run club, then you got these. The Swarovski Nike Pegasus Premium. $310 they want for these things, but you probably will be wearing one of the most expensive shoes at the run club, so there's that. You might have some of the most shiny shoes as well. I wonder how much weight the little, you know, Swarovski crystals adds to this. Now, it's not as crazy as some of the other Nike collabs we've seen them do in terms of like, you know, actual crystals. It's pretty much just on the Nike swoosh. And honestly, the colorway is kind of okay. I mean, it's not bad, but it's like a bluish one. I feel like they could have done a better job by making it more of a contrast color between like the crystals and then the base colorway. Either way, what are we talking about here? These things are insanely expensive. They're obviously going to be very limited as well, and that is December 5th for these if you want to grab them. Another massive release for December is going to be the SoleFlys Air Jordan 3. These are dropping right around the corner on December the 2nd. Now, SoleFly already has a little raffle loaded up on their website, and that is only opening on December the 2nd. So it's not like you only have until then to enter. That's when the entries actually open up. But notably about this pair of shoes, god damn, they're doing this through EQL, which is a raffle system, and they're gonna charge you $10 for a raffle fee. I think that has got to be the most expensive I have ever seen. Usually it's like $5. So I don't know, maybe EQL's raffle system has gotten more expensive for them to run. I have no idea, but that's the main way you're gonna be going out to grab these things. They might have a Nike sneakers app released further down the line or after this drop, but we're not entirely sure. So if you want these things, now you know where to get them. On December the 10th, we got the Gucci Gang Nike Air Max 95s. This is the Undefeated collaboration. We're getting two different colors. Now, I believe these dropped early at Complex Con. I can't really remember. If they did, it was like super limited, but here you go. You're getting the sail colorway, which personally is my favorite, and then the all over black pair, which I don't know, maybe you prefer because you can really see that green and red tag going around the side. This is a dope collaboration, actually. I really do not mind this whatsoever. I think this is super clean. I also love the fact that they like kind of like painted over the Air unit. It's just something a little bit different, you know. I know that it might not be your first choice for like most Air Max 95s, but on this one, it works. Both of these are going to be dropping, like I said, December the 10th. I don't know if it's Nike sneakers. Yeah, it should be Nike sneakers and potentially like Undefeated's website and a bunch of other retailers as well. We'll have to wait and see, but just keep your eyes open for different raffles that pop up, especially through Undefeated's website. But the main sneakers app release should be December the 10th. On the 11th of December, SpongeBob fans, you have a little restock. So, well, this is kind of like a restock, but they also added a new pair, which is this Squidward. Obviously, this is the SpongeBob Crocs collection. So you've got the SpongeBob pair with the arms, you've got the Patrick Star pair, and you've also got Sandy. Is that one dropping? I don't know, but I definitely know that we're getting these new ones, which is the Squidward pair, which is crazy, bro. You just got his face just chilling on the front. Either way, these are dropping on the 11th of December. So if you're a fan, check them out. December the 12th, we're getting the highly anticipated Maniere Air Jordan 4. I don't know. I feel like people's, you know, brown Jordan 4s have been satisfied by the cave stones, but you let me know down in the comment section. Either way, the dark Mocha Maniere collaboration is coming very, very soon. We even has some kind of official images of them on foot. I'm not gonna lie, like the brown and the Maniere kind of maroon color is really nice together. Like, look at this. It does look luxurious, but on foot and certainly from a distance, it'll be very, very similar to those cave stones. So it's like, if you've already got those, really, are you gonna be out there trying to get these things? I mean, you let me know down in the comment section. Don't get me wrong though, it is a really, really nice pair. December the 20th, we're getting the Nike GT Future Metallic Silver. This one is already loaded up to the Nike sneakers app, and I feel like it's going to be incredibly limited and hard to get. It feels like that's the launch strategy with this pair of shoes. I would love to try them out. I'd love to try this colorway out because it's also like all over reflective, so when you hit it with a flash, it looks insane. If you're after these, they're, yeah, December the 20th, just cross your fingers if you really like them. Also on December the 20th, we've got the Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny returning, and we also have some images. Let me show you a little image of the like lineup of all of the different restocks. Here's a little diagram of all of the different Bugs Bunny 8s that have dropped. Obviously the last one in 2013, and this is the remastered version, which to me looks identical. Like, is there really that much change? But yeah, another big release, especially for OGs. They're gonna love this one. But yeah, December the 20th for these. Now, we don't have an exact release date for this one, but the Costco dunks are coming very, very soon. Now, as of right now, I think the general like release guideline is holiday 2025, so that literally means they've either going to be dropping them in the next like couple days, or most likely it's going to be a December release. These are the official images. They retail for 130 bucks. It's got people going crazy for the Costco dunks. Now, I think they might be a Costco exclusive, even though these do look like Nike sneakers app official images, so maybe we'll get a Nike sneakers release, but I think as of right now, you got to be a Costco member to grab these things. But yeah, unfortunately, no exact release date on them. Just keep your eyes open because these should be dropping very, very soon. December the 11th, we're getting the Converse SHAI Christmas edition. The 001s looking crazy. It's all over red with the green zipper and the branding. Weirdly, they're saying December the 11th up here, but then they're also saying December the 4th down here. So not entirely sure. Just keep your eyes open because they might drop early on December the 4th. Next one is the Travis Scott Jumpman Jack Chase B collaboration, which was originally supposed to drop in November. However, I just don't think it's happening now. I think it's going to be, well, actually, I think they were originally supposed to drop in October, then November, but I think they are going to be dropping in December. We saw Travis Scott tease these things on his Instagram stories, so the release is right around the corner. We know that for a fact, but as of right now, this is an undisclosed release date in December. It might even be a Travis Scott website exclusive, like the fragments. We'll have to wait and see, but I do just get the feeling like this is going to be a very, very limited pair of Jumpman Jacks. Either way, again, no exact release date on them, but I mean, God, it's probably going to be the coolest Jumpman Jack to release thus far. Nardwuars and Nike are dropping their dunk collaboration, their SB dunk collaboration very, very soon. So there was a couple like early releases at different locations, but the main Nike Sneakers app release is going to be on December the 9th. Retail is $140 and the details on here are so cool. I think this is going to be a massive release. Like, people are really going to want this pair, and I think it's really cool. Like, there's so many little Nardwuars details on them that I love these things, and I think they look absolutely insane, but also just, you know, it's cool that these things exist. Some other speculative releases that should be dropping in December. First one is the Air Max Go-A-Dome, basically the cow print ones and the pony hair ones. We know that we've been waiting on these for a while, but they should be dropping in December. And honestly, I think with all of the Go-A-Dome hype that's going on right now, Wale getting his colorway, Yeet getting a collaboration, I think these are going to be super hype. I freaking love them. I'd wear this pony hair one. Why not? Fortunately, as of right now, no specific release date, just at some point in December for $230. And then another speculative one is the Pharrell Triple Black Jellyfish. These bad boys. Now, they did have a somewhat little early launch in South Korea. They did a little pop-up, and this one was available. So a global release or something like through the Adidas Confirmed app could be this December time. It would make a lot of sense, but again, no specific release date. We just know that they're going to be dropping in 2025, so probably December. But there you have it, guys. That is all of the sneakers dropping in the month of December. That is it for 2025. Now, I need to know from you guys down in the comment section, if out of all of these shoes, if you can only pick one that you're going to be going for, your top priority, what is it? Let me know, and I'm going to have a read through down in the comments. And like always, I'm going to throw another video in the top left-hand corner. Click on it to check it out. It's a bang.